Hey, buddy. Sorry, Jada's not here today.
Well, he left his helmet.
Okay, can you just leave it there at the door?
Hey, don't leave it there. Just take it
Thank you,
home
bud.
with you. And then
Have a good day.
when we get home tonight, I'll send him over, and he can play with y'all, and you can get it to him then, okay? Yeah, because I don't want somebody else to steal it.
No, you can just leave it there at the door.
I can have him play with you later, and you can give it to him then, okay?
So I'm leaving it here?
Yeah.
No, don't leave it there. Take it home with you.
Thank you.
I don't want anybody to steal it.
No, you can just leave it there, buddy. Just leave it at the front door.
I'll get it from you later, okay?
Does that seem familiar when you're at work?